Well, here it is, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Got this thing swapped over. The other wheels. Turns out 2 of the studs had some pretty funny threads at the end, and the nuts really weren't happy going on straight. With how much I'd be swapping the wheels around over the course of the trip, I figured I better break out the tap and die set and try to fix them up as best I could. Seemed to do the trick. Got the windows out. Got our little Touge tool sack, some power tools, window cleaner. Got our end plate back on with our missing bolt. Got our gurney flap. We got our spoiler. I think we're ready to party for a little bit here. Even got my California uniform on. Black hat, flat, got the flannel, shorts, Cali bra. I'm gonna go up to Neptune's net. They did a scene in Fast and Furious there before they raced the Ferrari.
Starting route to Neptune's net. Proceed to West.
Back on the OG Touge roads for me. Hopefully the fire thing isn't too much of a situation. But we're gonna find out. I'm going. Wish me luck. So I pulled out of the gas station and immediately had CHP right behind me, right behind me. So I had to like dip out, but I'm turning on to Mulholland Highway. Living the dream. Can't say it was easy to get here. 15, 20 years. Thousands of dollars. Days in the car. We're on Mulholland. That's the Pacific Ocean. A lot of these corners are a lot tighter than I remember. A lot of elevation. Great job, kid. Hell yeah, brother.
So what's wrong, Brian?
Nothing, man, I'm fine.
Come on. I got the shirt. Now, whatever it is you're in on, I want in on it too.
What is this?
It's directions to race wars. We'll see how you do. Then we'll talk.
All right, we're at the bottom of ECH in Latigo.